Hey there everybody, just a quick video. Wanted to show you the hot sauces that I made up. Went and picked all the peppers off my pepper plants and I made a whole bunch of hot sauces. And we're going to start off over here. Got some teriyaki sauce that I made with some hot Guam boonie peppers. Over here got some jalapeno, some red habanero, cayenne, and serrano. With all of these I used garlic and onion. The garlic was Russian red garlic, so it even has a little bit of heat to it. But this should last me all year, and I'll be able to give a few away to friends at work. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. Happy gardening. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.